Taking a picture of you and me falling down. uncomfortable. Is that your foot?
Yeah.
Why is your foot by your face? Why are you hugging your foot?
Because it can't be.
Okay. So what movie are you gonna watch?
No, not that. What?
Mom, 105 minutes is an hour.
Huh?
What about 105 minutes?
What?
105.
105?
60 minutes in an hour. So it's under 2 hours.
What about 107?
It's under 2 hours, I told you. Did you,
There's no 2.
have you checked your oxygen lately?
Yeah, it's still running.
It's still good? No, I mean like your oxygen level.
No, I didn't.
Mom, how much is this? 118.
1 hour.
It's 2 hours. Alright, so it's time to show you the bathroom that was on the plane that we were on. So here I am in the mirror. Yeah! Whee! So this is what a plane bathroom looks like if you've never seen one. So this one, they're trying to dress it up with some flowers. There's a changing table right here. Goes right down over the top of the toilet. I don't know what you do with your baby if you want to try to pee while you're in there with your baby, but you know, I guess you hold them while you sit on the toilet. I don't know. So you close it, and then this is the toilet. It's kind of small, not gonna lie. Don't throw random rubbish in it, as you can see. You can see my feet. I'm trying to squeeze my tummy so it's not in the way. The mirror. Yeah, we're having fun in the bathroom. Then you can see that we have little compartments. In this compartment, there are airsick bags. So if you gotta puke, but this is like the Eva Air Hello Kitty plane. So we've got earplugs, sleeping masks, which are complimentary. You can just have those if you feel like you need them. Sanitary napkins for the ladies, and little Dixie cups to rinse your mouth out, Hello Kitty themed. There's lotions, hand soap, facial spray, perfume, all of which are Hello Kitty themed because, as you can see, our whole flight was Hello Kitty themed. Completely and utterly unplanned, but that's how it ended up. It was pretty awesome. So even all the complimentary things you can use in the bathroom are Hello Kitty, or Sanrio, which is the company that created Hello Kitty. So you've got like Gudetama, the Lazy Egg, those are all Sanrio. And so we've got the water, the trash bin, don't put cigarettes in there, the TP, and then even our air sick bags, so the bags that you're going to throw up in if you get sick, Hello Kitty. Even those. And then in the back you can see that they have blue plain ones if you don't want to use the Hello Kitty ones. But yeah, even the puke bags. Even the puke bags. And then there's some feminine hygiene if you need those. All complimentary. And then towels. And then here's the ceiling. Vents and all. And then the door. So this is the most complexing part for me. It tells you that you do not smoke in the bathroom. But then there's an ashtray. This is the door where you pull it open. I don't know what that is. And so yeah, it's really small. Really tiny. So you can sit on the toilet and kick the door, essentially. It's so small. But you're on an airplane, so they're trying to make it as compact as possible. There's your paper. Tissues. I'm going to show you. Oh, I gotta clean this off. I don't trust it right now. I'll throw this away. I'm going to sit down on top of the seat. And then I want to show you how tight it is. See, I can totally kick the door if I really wanted to. It's so tiny. Even the air freshener up there is Hello Kitty. That's amazing. I just saw that doing the audio back for this video. crazy. So yeah, this was the bathroom. And there's several of them on the plane, but there's always a line, so no smoking. This is the locked unlock thing, and then the ashtray for your cigarettes that you're not supposed to be smoking. So now let's play with the flush. We did it, everybody. We survived the 12-hour flight, and now we are in Taiwan. So tune in for vlog number 2 so you can see our misadventures in the Taiwan airport while we wait for our next flight. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one.